Alright, gang, just want to reach out to you here. I'm at a conference today, so giving you some directions ahead of time, and when you're done with your test, we're going to start, obviously not on the recording tool, but we're going to start on the home page. And once you're on the home page, you can see that obviously we're in week 2, March 30th, April 2nd, Russian Revolution. You go to Unit 5, Russian Revolution. While we're going this way, Trevor, I think I fixed this on the Chromebooks, so if I haven't, shoot me an email. But you click on Unit 5, Week 2, Russian Revolution to Snapchat, the 1920s. Table of contents over here. It's going to take you to your, let me turn this off so it looks like yours. Table of contents over here, you're going to look at your Russian Revolution test. Click here to launch. You only get one shot at this. If you've already taken the test, which I've already entered the key, it says you've already responded. Go to the calendar. You can see that on Wednesday and Thursday we want to go to, we're going to scroll down here. We want to scroll over and then back up so that we can see the agenda. And then, unfortunately, it looks as if we have to scroll back. On my regular computer screen, this is the right size, so we don't have all these problems. But Wednesday, here is the directions. Create a picture of the world between World War I and World War II in a community project to be presented on Monday, March 2015. So the bell ringer, you're going to partner up, you're going to write your articles, the pages that you should preview, 852 to 876 and 884 to 890. Your choices of things to present. Your choices are Latin America, Africa, Middle East, India, China, Japan, Jazz Age, women's changing roles in the U.S., literature, scientific changes, modern painting, modern architecture. Some of these could be really fun. Some of them could be really serious. India is starred because it's a great choice to kind of prep you for your final project, which asks you, how are you going to change the world? Essentially, we built a civilization. Now we're looking at the changes. So whenever you're done, and I need to go in and edit this link right here, this should say hour 7. You're going to click on hour 7. You're going to click here. And this is the template for our presentation. What I'd like to do is I'd like to do like a speed presentation where each person takes a slide and they're going to report on a different area in the world or a different topic in the world in the 1920s. Essentially, what I'd like to do is I would like to have a visual, I would like to have a written record, and I would like to have a audio presentation. In this way, I'm hoping to create a real-life Snapchat in the classroom. So I may not have understood Snapchat exactly, so please forgive me on that. But the idea is that you guys will create your own slides. So you go up here and just hit Own Slide. Click to add title. You can add whatever you want. First option up there is Latin America. Yeah. And then, you know, add YouTube, add text, add pictures, do whatever it is that you want to do. Make sure that you have the name of the author as well as any citations that are necessary, and then we're going to work this on Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to come back and we're going to present on Monday, so we're going to be rip-roaring and ready to go. The other thing that you need to be looking to do is make sure that you have your aeronautical stuff in order. Next week is the deadline for this. I don't know if we've been chosen in the final selection process, but I have an email out to the company, and I'm hoping that we get to actually be on TV. So very excited about that. Let's take it back a step and make sure I got everything. You need at least one picture and a citation. Feel free to include video if you wish. Shouldn't be more than like 45 seconds in your presentation. It's a Snapchat presentation, so it's quick. Include the who, what is happening, why, and where. Include parenthetical citations in the article using the full citation on the works cited page. Our final slide will be a works cited page, and we'll look at how to format that. You'll need a title and the author's names, and then be prepared to make an impression when you present. Make sure to think about all the space on the slide too. You're going to want to make sure to use all that space. Additionally, if you're done with your test and you've already watched this, you may want to go back to week 1. Make sure that you've hit everything that you're supposed to hit. So an answer to Hoffman's question, not everybody has that. Here is the Google form right here. It's a simple, quick questions. And then the Communist Manifesto. If you haven't done that as well, go ahead and get that done for credit. I will enter those in whenever grades are due for the test. The final thing to point out on this is that this is a common presentation, so please be respectful to your peers. Make sure that you're not doing anything that's going to upset their slides. If you do, go ahead and click undo. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Again, I'm at a conference, so I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can, especially on breaks and whatnot. Miss Mifflin is a great teacher, and I'm sure she can help you as well. Thank you, and have a great day. I will see you on Wednesday.